Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the new St. Catherine North Divisional headquarters that is being built out in Spanish Town. Now the Prime Minister recently toured the facility, and we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Construction of the St. Catherine North Divisional Headquarters for the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, in Spanish Town will usher in the transformation of the old capital, says Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness. He noted that the $2.3 billion invested in the construction of the major security hub will serve as a catalyst for major developments to bolster the social, economic, and educational advancement of the town over the next decade. This investment should be seen as a spark of other investments to come. This capital investment here should be seen as a security guarantee that investors would need to de-risk many of their projects to come into the space. And it is indeed the start of, I would say, the new era of development for Spanish Town, he added. Dr. Holness was speaking during a tour of the project to get a first-hand look at the progress of the works. He was joined by Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of National Security and Peace, Honorable Dr. Horace Chang, and Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport and Member of Parliament for St. Catherine Central, Honorable Olivia Grange. This state-of-the-art facility, funded through the Capital Expenditure (CAPEX) program, will enhance operational efficiency, improve working conditions for officers, and deepen collaboration with the communities they serve. The four-floor structure, which will accommodate 300 law enforcement personnel, includes a boundary wall wrapped around the 5-acre property, a jogging trail, futsal and hard courts, a guardhouse, an electrical room, a garbage house, a sewer treatment plant, stormwater drainage, and adequate parking. It includes a basement level to house a water storage tank and pump room. In addition to enhancing security, the divisional headquarters is expected to improve community engagement with the surrounding residents. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.